We begin with practice set 5.3. The first question, the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD intersect at point O. If AC is 8 cm, then find BO, and if angle CAD is 35 degree, then find angle ACB. Okay, they have given us here AC is 8 centimeter and the given figure ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, so now if AC is 8 centimeter, AC is the diagonal of the rectangle and it is 8 centimeter. So that is what I have written, diagonal AC is 8 centimeter. Now we must remember the property which we use, that the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Why do we need it now? Because we have to find BO, which is a part of the diagonal BD. In fact, it is half the diagonal BD. So first we say diagonal AC is 8 centimeter. So now we use the property diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. So if they are congruent, then the other diagonal BD also is equal to AC. Therefore, BD also will be having the length 8 centimeter as diagonal AC. Now, we have to find the length of BO, and BO is half of the length of the diagonal BD. So, we write half into BD. Now, how do we know it is half of BD? Because the diagonals of a rectangle are bisectors of each other. Okay, because the diagonals of the rectangle are bisectors of each other, therefore we can say that BO is half of BD. So this statement we completed. Diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, or we can say they are bisectors of each other. What does that mean? This diagonal AC divides BD into two equal parts. So it divides here at the point O, and BD was 8 centimeter. Therefore BO will be half of BD. Therefore half into 8, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now let us see what have they said. We have found BO now. Now, if angle CAD is 35 degrees, angle CAD is 35 degrees, then we have to find angle ACB. Now, you can see here CAD and angle ACB will be alternate angles. And will those alternate angles be equal? Yes, they will be equal, because these are a pair of parallel sides. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are parallel. So segment AD parallel to segment BC, and AC can be the transversal. Therefore, angle CAD will be congruent or equal to angle ACB. So, let us see how we write it here. Segment AD parallel to segment. Here, segment AD parallel to segment. We write here BC. Why? Because the opposite sides of the rectangle are, here we write parallel, not equal. Why? Because we are using that the opposite sides are parallel. So, opposite sides of the rectangle are parallel. And also I showed you just now that AC behaves as the transversal. Therefore, angle CAD is equal to angle BCA or ACB. So we write angle CAD congruent to angle ACB. What type of angles are they we saw? They were on either sides of the diagonal. Therefore, they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Now, already they had given us that angle CAD is 35 degrees. See here, if angle CAD is 35 degrees, you have to find angle ACB. And we have said angle CAD congruent to angle ACB. So, if angle CAD is 35 degrees, therefore angle ACB also will be 35 degrees.